Welcome back. In today's video, we'll be sharing 10 real ways to make money quickly. Whether you need extra cash for bills, savings, or a special purchase, these methods will help you achieve your financial goals. So let's dive right in. Method number 1, sell your things on popular online platforms like eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace. Turn your unused items into quick cash by listing them online and connecting with potential buyers in your local area. Method number 2, start an Amazon dropshipping business. Partner with manufacturers and wholesalers, create a brand website, and sell products without the need for a traditional retail setup. It's a cost-effective way to earn money with the right strategies. Number 3, try affiliate marketing. If you have a blog or online platform, join affiliate programs and promote products or services through your content. When people make a purchase through your unique links, you earn a commission. Number 4, take online surveys. Sign up for reputable survey websites like SurveyJunkie and Swagbucks to earn cash or gift cards by sharing your opinions. It's a simple way to make money in your spare time. Number 5, pursue freelance gigs on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. If you have skills in areas like programming, graphic design, or writing, offer your services to clients and earn money on a project basis. Number 6, try pet sitting or dog walking. Use apps like Rover to connect with pet owners who need your services. It's a fun and rewarding way to make money while spending time with adorable furry friends. Number 7, become an Airbnb host. If you have an extra room or property, rent it out to travelers and earn money for hosting them. It's a great way to make money and meet new people from around the world. Number 8, become a delivery driver. Sign up with rideshare and food delivery apps like Lyft, Uber Eats, Instacart, or DoorDash. Use your vehicle to transport goods and earn money by making deliveries. Number 9, do odd jobs in your neighborhood. Offer your handyman skills for tasks like home repairs, grocery shopping for others, or yard work. It's a flexible way to earn money by helping others with their needs. Finally, method number 10, use your creativity and explore other ways to make money quickly. Whether it's tutoring, photography, or even starting your own small business, the possibilities are endless. Find what suits your skills and interests and start making money fast. That wraps up our video on 10 real ways to make money fast. Remember, these methods require effort and dedication, but they can provide you with the financial boost you need. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more money-making tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.